I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you start Coinbase for beginners. First, you'll need to create your free account. You can do this easily online or by downloading the Coinbase app. After signing up, verify your email address to activate your account. Next, provide your personal information for identity verification, which is a crucial step for security and compliance. This process ensures a safe trading environment for everyone. Once your account is set up, the next step is to link a payment method. You can connect your bank account for convenient deposits and withdrawals, or add a debit card for instant cryptocurrency purchases. Some users also find it helpful to link PayPal for specific types of transactions. Having multiple options makes managing your funds much more flexible. Now you're ready to make your first cryptocurrency purchase. Head to the Buy/Sell section within Coinbase. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to spend, review the details, and then confirm your transaction. It's a straightforward process designed to get you started quickly and easily. Finally, prioritize your account security and continue learning. Always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Coinbase offers a Learn section with valuable educational resources to help you understand the crypto market better. Regularly monitoring your portfolio will also keep you informed about your investments and market changes, helping you make smart decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.